We can confirm that all those who were supposed to be evacuated from the eastern part of the DRC are now in the country. You know that the process started with the evacuation from Goma, then they traveled to the border between DRC and Rwanda and straight to Kigali Airport. From Kigali Airport, we know that the 4 were airlifted with a smaller plane because they were seriously injured or critical condition, and therefore they had to be quickly airlifted. And then yesterday in the afternoon, a bigger plane brought another group, including those who are injured and those who are not necessarily injured, but they need medical attention or support system. As you know that being in a war zone, some people might not be able to cope, the system or the psychological trauma. And today, now early hours of this morning, the last group arrived today, and the group includes those who are injured, who might be admitted at the hospital for observation and perhaps to get special care, those who will be out or outpatients, and you also have those that need just the psychological assistance because of the impact in terms of the situation that they did find themselves in during that conflict. And therefore you have a number of different groups and different categories. That would include even the medical team that were assisting these soldiers, and therefore it's a broader group. And now we know that everybody now is back in the country, almost 130 in total, or those including the first 3 or 4 who arrived who were critically injured, the group yesterday and the group today. So that mission to evacuate those who were supposed to be evacuated now completed, but you still have men and women who are still in Goma, who are still in the military base there, but we are not so sure or clear in terms of what's going to happen to them, because now the entire area is under the control of AFC.